So hey folks, so how to make EA ID? So basically you just need to create EA account and then you will get EA ID as I understand. EA ID is just your username. So you just go to ea.com if you don't have an account, Electronic Arts account. Type in top right to create an account just with your email and password. I already did that, and then you just go to account settings. So by the way, it's just better to do it on a laptop because their mobile experience is not that good and you can't do it in the app as I understand, so only on the website. So just do that, and then in the about me section in basic information here you will see EA ID. So that's where you can just create make this EA ID. So yeah, I hope that is helpful.